Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Jalen Marie. But today I thought I'll come on and show you like a full wash day routine. I relaxed my hair a week ago and I actually need a trim. I need to go in and trim it. My hair has grown a lot since I've cut it. I am enjoying my relaxers thus far. I've already hit my third relaxer. I've been counting, y'all. Because it's a process. Honestly, it's a process from being natural. I was a natural for 10 years, almost 10, yeah, about 10 years. And then I went back to the relaxer again. But I'm loving styling my hair. I have been enjoying coming up with different looks and styles. And I'm just a Pixie girl. I used to rock a Pixie way before everybody went on like that natural trend, and that was like back in what I want to say 2008. But like I said, I need a trim, and I do prefer to cut my hair when it's dry. The back has grown out so much. I'm not liking the shape. I'm liking the shape of the front. I don't think I'm going to touch the front because when I first cut my hair, I feel like my front was shorter than I would like it to be. I like it to be a little bit more heavy, well, fuller, like longer in the front. And now I want it a little bit shorter in the back. Because at first I was going for like a little mullet look. I don't know. I think I'm gonna try that out again. I'm gonna come back to the mullet maybe in the fall. Now that it's starting to be spring and summer, I think I want it to be shorter. So I'm gonna go in and trim the back. I may touch up around my ears, just trim a little where it's gotten longer around my ears. So I'm just gonna start off with that. So I'll be using the Annie shears to cut my hair. I also have my razor comb, which I love so much. I love these razor combs. I do not like using trimmers on my hair. I prefer to cut my hair with scissors. So I'm gonna leave it like, I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom in. You see how shorter that is right here, like compared to the back. I want this to be even out, so I'm going in and cut that evenly. Now I'm going in with my razor comb. I am liking the shape of how my hair is looking. Looks good. I'm going to be shampooing with the ORS brand, and I love their creamy aloe shampoo. And then I follow up with the Replenish conditioner, and I just love the ORS brand. These are my go-to when I'm relaxed, and I've used these for years. I always come back to them. And I'll be right back to show you guys how I mold and style my hair. I just finished shampooing and conditioning my hair, and now I'm ready to mold it down and set it. And I'll be using the ORS olive oil wrapping mousse. I love this mousse. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and part off the back of my hair. So I'm gonna go in with my mousse. So this is my hooded dryer that I'm gonna sit up under. I picked this up from Walmart, and I'll make sure I link all my products that I did use in this video. They'll be linked in the description box down below, so make sure you guys check that out. And I sit up on the dryer for about, really no longer than 30 minutes. I'll be under here for about 20-25 minutes. Okay guys, I am now done with the dryer. Hope my hair is dry. It should be dry. Dry. And now I'm ready to go in with my Kiss flat irons. And before I do that, I'm going to use some coconut oil on my hair. Just a little bit, not a lot. It's about that much. Just work it in my hands. Smooth it out. I'm going in with my favorite Giovanni Frizz Be Gone, and I'm just going to take just a little pump. This is just going to help as a heat protectant, and it kind of keeps the frizz down. The coconut oil gives it a nice shine, which I absolutely love. This gives a shine too, but the shine doesn't last as long as I like with the coconut oil. Just gonna get started with curling. Uncurl it. And I'm just gonna do a light curl. I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of curls. done curling it. I'm not going to comb it out. Usually I'll comb it out, but I think I'm just going to run my rat tail through it. And that way I keep most of my curls. Just going to shape it up, and then I'll lay it down with my scarf. I want to keep most of my curls. I don't want to smash them all out. I'm just going to wrap my hair up with this. I love this thing, but it's just way too big. I need to find one a little bit smaller. But what I do is just wrap it around like this, and it has a little Velcro. So it gives you that wrap look, but I always have to flip it up right here because it's so big. But it gets the job done. It gives you that nice, your hair is molded down nice. You'll see once I take it off. But see, it's just way too big, but I have to kind of, you know, rig it on there. It's too big because I'm ready to put my makeup on. It's just gonna be in the way. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit while I do my makeup. And this is the completed look, guys. Look how cute that is. Gorgeous. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. So guys, this wraps up my Pixie Cut wash day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and also comment down below. I would love to connect with you guys. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now and turn on your post notification bell as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.